The Thomas Partey visa controversy is no longer just a football story, it has now become a diplomatic, legal, and moral debate. According to the statement from Ghana's Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Canada refused Thomas Partey's temporary residence application based on pending criminal proceedings in the United Kingdom. But here is the key issue: pending charges are not the same as a conviction. Thomas Partey has not been convicted by any court. There has been no final judicial finding of guilt. So Ghana's argument is simple. If the law believes in the presumption of innocence, then why should a man be treated as guilty before the court has spoken? Now, let me be very clear. Allegations of rape must always be taken seriously. No one should dismiss the seriousness of such accusations. But taking allegations seriously does not mean abandoning due process. Justice must protect the accuser, but it must also protect the accused from being publicly condemned before trial. That is where this issue becomes bigger than Thomas Partey. This is the FIFA World Cup, the biggest football tournament on earth. FIFA and the host countries had years to prepare. If there were legal or immigration concerns involving players, officials, or national teams, those issues should have been addressed months before kickoff, not days before a country's opening match. Canada has the sovereign right to enforce its immigration laws. No one is denying that. But when a country agrees to host the World Cup, it also accepts a global responsibility to treat participating nations fairly and transparently. Ghana is now saying, this decision is unfair, disproportionate, and damaging to the spirit of the competition. And honestly, Ghana has a strong point. Because this is not just about one player. It is about whether World Cup matches should be decided on the pitch or affected by last-minute administrative decisions. It is also about whether African nations and their players receive the same level of respect, preparation, and protection in global tournaments. The Ghana government has now taken diplomatic steps. They have protested to Canada. They are engaging Canadian officials. They are even considering legal and administrative remedies. So for anyone who thought this story was over, no, the story has not ended. The bigger question is this: can FIFA truly call this a fair World Cup if a key player from a qualified nation can be blocked from entering a host country based on allegations that have not yet been proven in court? Football must respect the law, but the law must also respect fairness, due process, and the presumption of innocence. Let the courts decide guilt or innocence. Let football be played on the pitch, and let FIFA and the host nations answer this serious question: were all participating countries properly informed, prepared, and protected? Because if the answer is no, then this is not just Canada's issue. This is FIFA's failure too. The story has not ended yet.